Let's dive into one of Cancun's most talked about family resorts that has been welcoming guests for decades. Royal Solaris Cancun sits right in the heart of the hotel zone, and after looking at hundreds of reviews and digging deep into what this place really offers, there's quite a story to tell about this all-inclusive resort that tries to be everything to everyone. Starting with the accommodations, Royal Solaris Cancun offers three main room categories that cater to different needs and budgets. The Deluxe Garden View rooms are the entry-level option, spanning about 375 square feet with either one king bed or two doubles. These rooms come with all the basics you'd expect from a four-star resort, including air conditioning, flat-screen TV, minibar, coffee maker, safe, and free Wi-Fi. The balcony or terrace overlooks the garden areas, which honestly can be quite peaceful when you want to escape the poolside chaos. These rooms can accommodate up to 3 adults or 2 adults with 2 children, making them perfect for smaller families. The decor is described as modern with Mexican touches, though some recent guests have noted that certain rooms could use a refresh. What's nice about these garden view rooms is that they're typically quieter than their ocean-facing counterparts, so if you're someone who values sleepover views, this might be your sweet spot. The bathrooms feature showers and come stocked with basic amenities, though don't expect luxury spa products. At around $120 to $180 per night depending on the season, these rooms offer solid value for families who plan to spend most of their time exploring the resort's facilities rather than lounging in their room. Moving up the ladder, the junior suites with ocean view bump up the space to about 485 square feet and add that coveted ocean vista that makes your morning coffee taste just a little better. These suites feature a king bed plus a sofa bed, making them ideal for families of up to 4 adults or 2 adults with 3 children. The real selling point here is that ocean view balcony, where you can watch the sunrise over the Caribbean Sea. The upgraded bathroom amenities and larger living area make these suites feel more spacious and comfortable for longer stays. Guests consistently praise these rooms for their stunning views, though the premium you'll pay ranges from $180 to $250 per night. The family suites are where things get really interesting for larger groups, offering about 645 square feet with multiple bedrooms or partitioned living spaces. These suites include a kitchenette, multiple bathrooms, and a proper living and dining area. They can accommodate up to 6 guests, making them perfect for extended families or groups traveling together. At $250 to $350 per night, they're definitely an investment, but when you break down the cost per person, they can actually offer better value than booking multiple smaller rooms. The dining scene at Royal Solaris Cancun revolves around variety and convenience, though like most all-inclusive resorts, the quality can be hit or miss depending on your expectations. La Terraza Buffet serves as the main dining hub, operating for breakfast, lunch, and dinner with international and Mexican dishes. The breakfast spread runs from 7 to 10:30 in the morning and typically includes fresh fruits, pastries, eggs prepared multiple ways, and local specialties. Lunch service from 12:30 to 3 offers lighter fare including salads, grilled items, and regional dishes, while dinner from 6 to 10 brings out the full spread with carved meats, seafood options, and an impressive dessert station. The buffet does themed nights throughout the week, with Mexican night being particularly popular among guests who want to sample regional specialties without venturing off property. While the variety is impressive, some guests note that the food can feel mass-produced, which is pretty standard for large resort buffets. The dining room can get quite crowded during peak meal times, so arriving early or late can mean shorter lines and fresher food. El Patio Mexican Restaurant offers a more intimate dining experience focused on traditional Mexican cuisine. Open for dinner from 6 to 10, this restaurant requires reservations and maintains a smart casual dress code. The menu features regional specialties like tacos al pastor, chiles en nogada, and fresh guacamole prepared tableside. The atmosphere here is much more relaxed than the buffet, with rustic Mexican decor and occasional live mariachi music that adds authentic ambience to your meal. Guests consistently rate this restaurant higher than the buffet for both food quality and service, making reservations essential during busy periods. The bar scene is anchored by Aqua Bar, the main poolside watering hole that operates from 10 in the morning until 10 at night. This swim-up bar is exactly what you'd expect from a Cancun resort, serving tropical cocktails, cold beer, and light snacks throughout the day. The bartenders are generally friendly and skilled at making the standard vacation drinks. They don't expect craft cocktails or premium spirits unless you're willing to pay extra. Happy hour specials typically run in the late afternoon, making it a popular gathering spot for guests looking to socialize. The bar accepts swimwear, making it convenient for those pool days when you don't want to change clothes for a drink. Additional bars throughout the property serve the lobby and restaurant areas, ensuring you're never too far from refreshment. When it comes to pools and beach access, Royal Solaris Cancun really shines with 3 distinct pool areas designed for different moods and age groups. The large family pool serves as the resort's social hub, spanning about 500 square meters with depths ranging from 1.2 to 1.5 meters. This pool features the swim-up bar and becomes the center of daytime activities and entertainment. The water temperature is maintained year-round, and the surrounding deck offers plenty of lounge chairs, though arriving early is essential during peak season to secure prime spots. The adults-only pool provides a quieter alternative for guests seeking relaxation without the splash and noise of children playing. This smaller pool maintains a more serene atmosphere and often attracts couples and solo travelers looking to read, nap, or simply enjoy peaceful conversations. The kids' splash area is where families with young children spend most of their time, featuring water slides, shallow areas perfect for toddlers, and interactive water features that keep little ones entertained for hours. All pools operate from 8 in the morning until 8 in the evening, with towel service provided at multiple stations around the pool deck. The beach access is one of Royal Solaris Cancun's strongest selling points, offering about 300 meters of white sandy beachfront along the Caribbean Sea. The water here is typically calm and crystal clear, perfect for swimming, though conditions can vary depending on weather and season. The beach service includes comfortable lounge chairs, umbrellas, and towel service, with staff regularly checking to ensure guests have everything they need. Water sports equipment is available including kayaks, snorkeling gear, and paddleboards, though some activities may require additional fees or reservations. The beach bar ensures you don't have to trek back to the pool for refreshments, serving the same tropical drinks and light snacks in a more relaxed beachfront setting. Early morning beach walks are particularly beautiful, offering stunning sunrise views and the chance to spot local wildlife before the crowds arrive. Activities at Royal Solaris Cancun cater to guests who want to stay busy without leaving the property. The fitness center operates from 6 in the morning until 10 at night, featuring cardio machines including treadmills and stationary bikes, along with free weights and resistance machines. The equipment is generally well maintained, though it's not extensive enough for serious bodybuilders or athletes. Group fitness classes including yoga and aqua aerobics are offered on a rotating schedule, typically announced daily at the guest services desk. The entertainment program runs throughout the week with nightly shows featuring live music, dance performances, and themed parties. The quality of entertainment varies, but most guests find it enjoyable family-friendly fun rather than professional-level performances. Daytime activities often include pool games, dance lessons, and cultural presentations that give guests a taste of local Mexican traditions. For those interested in exploring beyond the resort, the concierge can arrange excursions to nearby attractions, though these typically come at additional cost. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.